Hey, welcome to my newest listing here at 34 Merrimac Drive in the Tashua section of Trumbull. And as you guys know, Tashua is so conveniently located to the schools, the parks, the shopping, and the highways. It's a raised ranch style home. It's over 3,000 square feet of living space. So as you guys are going to see inside, there's a really cool addition. It's got some cathedral ceilings, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. It's on over an acre of land. There's a detached 2-car garage as well as the 2-car garage under. That makes 4-car garages. Really great house. So come on inside, let me show you around. So inside this house, I love this new addition. You know, he's got like a big dining room with cathedral ceilings and skylights. Behind me is a family room with sliders out to the rear deck. It's all tiled. I mean, don't get me wrong, the house is in need of some updating, but the price is tremendous. It's a great value. Check out this house. I think you're gonna see what I'm talking about. So here we are in the hallway where there's 3 generously sized bedrooms, and each of them has really good sized closet space. As a matter of fact, the primary has its own full bath, and there's another full bathroom here in the hall that services the other 2 bedrooms. So here we are, galley kitchen, and I am sure one day I'm going to come back to this house and see this completely opened up and have a massive open floor plan. So here I am, I'm in the walkout lower level, and down here we've got a second kitchen. Off the second kitchen is a half a bathroom. We also have a family room with a wood stove and some great storage space back there. Don't get me wrong, it definitely needs some updating, but God, the potential is amazing. As a matter of fact, this room here, not only is it storage, but it's where they keep their mechanicals, the furnace and the electrical boxes, but again, great storage. All right, so I'm walking out of the dining area, the sliders out to this huge, oversized rear deck made of wood. And it just overlooks this beautiful 1.07 acre lot. As a matter of fact, it's nicely wooded back there, but if you look at the neighbor's property, they've cleared it so you can get a really good idea of how far back it goes. And God, can I picture a nice in-ground pool back here as well. What a spot. What a great little covered patio. I mean, it's got nice stamped concrete. Great spot. As I mentioned earlier in this video, you know, they have a 4-car garage, 2-car under, and a 2-car detached. So if you're a contractor or somebody who needs a place to store their material or tools, check it out. So listen, thank you so much for coming on this tour of 34 Merrimac Drive. And for those of you who don't know Merrimac Drive, Madison Avenue to Monitor Hill to Merrimac. As a matter of fact, there's a $1.8 million house on the street just a few doors down. This is the highest point in Trumbull. As you guys are well aware, in Tashua, we have the golf course and recreational center. Great spot. Great, beautiful neighborhood too, and it's nice and quiet. But listen, if you're interested in knowing more about this property, or if you would like a private tour, give me a call, shoot me a text, 203-209-2529, or you can email me at j@jcannone.com. Listen, I hope you like the tour. Thank you so much for your time, and have a wonderful day.